Okay, so look what's here. Hey everyone, how's it going? It's your girl Ali from Home Job Success with Ali. Thank you so very much for being here for another video. For those of you it's your first time here on the channel, thank you so very much for being here. Go ahead and remember to hit that subscription bell, and also while you're at it, hit on the notification bell as well, so you're notified once I do have new content up. For those of you, our loyal subscribers, thank you so very much for being here. It's always a pleasure. Of course, we're done with all of those meet and greet, so you know what time it is? Big up segments! Of course, we want to big up Kimberly Daily. Big up yourself. Go ahead guys and hit on her channel. It's Kimberly Daily. I'm going to be leaving the info right here, so you're able to go ahead and you're able to subscribe, like, comment, and share her videos also. Alright, so now I'm done with the rambling. So you know, once you see me sitting here, you know what time it is. It is unboxing time. I went ahead and I pulled this package guys, because I've been waiting for this for a while and I wanted to see it first to make sure that it is correct. So let's go now. What I did not open though was this. Yes, it is some braids. It is some braids. I purchased them on Amazon from Youngther. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put the information either there or here also, so you're able to see them. I'm going to put the link to the store and to the here below as well, so you're able to go ahead and purchase them. There are some pre-stretched braids, and it should be 8-pack. Alright, so we guys, goodies. I love goodies. Okay, this is just a brochure which is telling you the type of hair it is, that it's a braiding pre-stretched hair, and Youngther, which is the brand, and that is also their store name on Amazon as well. I'm going to be putting the name here so you're able to see it, Youngther, but just so you can see it for yourself as well. There you go, and that's all their social media there as well. Okay, let's get into the goodies. Ooh, alright, I'm seeing the rubber bands. So I have 4 of those, 2 reds, 1 yellow, and a black. That's nice. I like this. Okay, and then we have the hair jewelry here. We have 2 silver and 2 gold. Crochet needle. This is good. Crochet needle. That's alright. I love that. Oh, these are well needed. But you know when I remember them? When I'm doing my hair. That's the only time I remember these clips. So thank you, Youngther. Thank you. One more thing. This is the last thing. Oh, this is a mirror. It's a mirror. I don't want to turn it around because I'll probably blind you guys there, right? But yeah, it's a mirror. Very cute. Where that is concerned, it just... Alright, nice. It feels very nice, guys. As I was telling you, that's it. Youngther. And it's a 1B 26 inch. Nice. Yes, I'm feeling this. I'm feeling this. I'm feeling this. I really love it. And the texture is very nice as well. It's not too rough and it's not too silky, but it has that braid feeling. And let me just, because I'm going to be using this right now. I'm getting so excited about this. this, the thickness of it and what you're getting on each side, it is a lot. You can just look at it, you see, and it's nice. It feels very nice, and I'm going like this, pulling my hand through it, and nothing is falling out. Excited much, guys, excited much for all 8 braids that you're seeing here. I paid I think it was $27 and some cents. I'm going to put the card price that I paid for it right now. I'm ready. I'm gonna take this out, wash my hair, and I'm going to be doing a new style. So it's you, it's me, we're gonna do this. So that is up. Now I need to get this part up in it as well. So just repeat this process. Alright guys, so that is that for now. Now I have to let this dry. Alright, so all slicked up. so now I'm just going to allow this to dry. I'm going to leave it overnight because it's now after midnight. So I'm going to leave this to dry, and then in the morning then I'll finish up. Okay, morning time. Voila, looks nice. Oh, the back is not completely dry though. Okay, the hair that I'm going to be using is this here from Youngther, and it's a 26-inch long hair, and it's in 1 bead. I'm going to be leaving the link below so you're able to check out their store and also check out this hair as well. Alright, so what I'm going to be doing is a ponytail. Alright, they call it the ninja bun. Also, I should let you know that this is a pre-stretched hair. Alright, it does not come with an elastic band in the middle, so I'm going to be using an elastic band here. Alright, so now I have it in the elastic band. I'm going to take this part of the elastic band and put it over my little pigtail bun here. Alright, so I had to tie down around the hair because the back, it was not dried, and as you see up here, up top here, it's still not dried, so I didn't want for it to start messing up. Alright, so to make my bun and my bang, I am going to be leaving out some of this. So let me just clip this here to keep this one place. Use this to see how I'd want my bangs to look. This is going to be too much. I like a nice thin bang. I don't want nothing too big and hideous. I think that would be fine. Alright, so now that I have this evened out and I know what I want, I'm going to clip it as well. So I'm going to use some pins just to hold this down. It's exactly where I would want for it to be. I'm going to take this first bit of hair and I'm going to wrap it around. And of course I have some spreads. Guys, this here, I'm combing it through and nothing. Nothing at all. Alright, so now I'm going to try to get this a little bit neat. Alright, I don't want it to be too perfect now where it looks very falsy, but I want for it to look neat as well. I'm just using a bobby pin to just fasten that there. Yeah, so that's it. It's getting there. And then of course and get it fastened under here as good as possible. Yeah. Because it's a ninja bang, I'm going to need to leave these parts here to the side. Oh, okay, must start somewhere. So I need to get this and this to be the same amount. Alright, so what you've got to do, guys, just keep going and just shaving down the hair until you get to the length that you would want. Remember now, you don't want to have a boxed bang, so do not go straight across when you're cutting. Alright, so I think this is good enough for me. Alright, so now I'm going to be curl my hair a little bit. You can use a flat iron, but for me, I'm using what I've got at the moment. And make sure it's on low, guys. Remember, it's synthetic here. Make sure your iron is very low. Yes. Ooh. Alright, so there you have it. This is the ninja bun. How do you like it, guys? There you go. That's the ninja bun. Let me know if you love this. And of course, the hair is by Youngther, which is from Amazon. I'm going to be linking the hair below here in the description, so you're able to go ahead and click on the link, and then you're able to get it also with their store information as well. Alright, so thank you so very much for being here. If you love the hairstyle, give me a thumbs up. Let me know in the comment area as well what you think. And remember, guys, the lashes, yes, they are coming. Remember, coming soon with the lashes as well. So take care. I'm your girl Ali from Home Job Success with Ali, saying take care, walk good, peace.